In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud. Whether you're a seasoned user returning for a new project or just starting out, signing in is your first step toward unlocking the full potential of Adobe's powerful suite of creative tools. We've broken it down into simple steps that will have you ready to dive into your creative endeavors in no time. To begin your journey with Adobe Creative Cloud, you first need to navigate to its official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in adobe.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface. Here, among many other options, you'll find the Sign In button, prominently displayed in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the Sign In page, where you have a couple of options to proceed. If you're an existing Adobe user, you can continue with your usual email credentials. Simply enter your email address associated with your Adobe account, followed by your password, then click the blue Sign In button. Ensure you remember your details to avoid any delays and keep them secure. For those of you who prefer a speedier process, Adobe provides another convenient option: signing in through Google. If you choose Continue with Google, you'll need to select the Google account linked with Adobe from the list provided or enter the email and password related to your Google account. Now that you're either entering your credentials or opting for a Google login, make sure your information is correct. Typographical errors in your email or password are common issues, so take a moment to double check. If you encounter a problem with your login information, Adobe offers password recovery options right on the page. Simply follow the Forgot Password link and adhere to the prompted steps to regain access to your account. A tip here is to create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols while ensuring it's something memorable for you. Once you're signed in, you're all set. The page should redirect you to your Adobe Creative Cloud dashboard, where you'll have access to all your apps, files, and services. You can manage your account settings, download or update Adobe applications, and explore all the creative tools available at your fingertips. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully signed into Adobe Creative Cloud. Now you're ready to explore and express your creativity without bounds. Keep in mind that Adobe frequently updates its interface and security protocols to provide you with the best experience. Make sure to keep your software up to date and stay informed about any changes. Enjoy your creative journey with Adobe.